Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the CAF Confed Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 3, Simba 1. I'm joined by Johannes.
You know, Rico Dumedi said, let me greet my brother as well, our cameraman behind the scenes there. Going into this match, there were some bit of permutations considering what happened in Mawabane at Orlando Stadium, whereby, okay, majority of fans were saying Kaizer Chiefs, if they play 1-0 draw, then they're out again.
Yeah.
Then this time around, they just need a straight win. So we saw even that side when they wanted to play go DRC, they missed 2 chances where Esli Dupree, I think that chance is taken him to the bench. And going into this match, Thibaut, we're having a hiccup of saying we played 5 matches. Including Stellenbosch, Lisuolele midweek, where we couldn't put the ball in the back of the net, and it's been our weakness. So then they took the game here in Motopsenville, of which it took me back to when we were coached by Stuart Baxter, when we beat Solos 3-1 right here. Kiken Dolly, I remember, scored a trick. I mean, a brace with Kamapiliat. And then we also, when we were coached by Kevin Johnson, 2 seasons back, we came here, we beat Solos 1-0. Christian Saile was the goal scorer. So which means it's a good venue for us. You can see that the defense, they came up in numbers. It was packed to the rafters to come and rally behind the team. Those flags that they got for free, it helped for us. And going into the match, I think it was a bright start for us. Moilong Hore, we scored 3 quick goals within 28 minutes. Todililepo, it was Ikodaro, Sitakunika. So of which it's a moral boost because of midweek we were worried considering that we can't put the ball in the back of the net. We can't score even 1 goal per match. Then you check individual players. Bradley Cross, there's an improvement of the fact that at some point last season he was exposed by Mohaung Kota. This time Watla, he dished out a 10 out of 10 performance. You look at Sitakunika, ever since I've got that Nedbank Cup against Pirates, it's been a different Sitakunika. And I was so worried, take one line up, why there's no Inashu Miguel. So fortunately, Aiden McCarthy came in, because although I was worried because when we played against Kabuskop, he made a blunder, whereby we considered a goal. Lack of communication between the two. Even against Kukuni, it happened. But the player today dished out a 10 out of 10 performance. Then you come in the middle of the park, 10 out of 10. Although I still think the player is a good player, but sometimes a bit lazy. But today, dished out 10 out of 10 performance. And then you go forward, Etiosai Kodaro. This is a player who was unfortunate to go Sundowns. He wasn't given a fair chance. He was loaned out to teams like Buchipa United, Amazulu, Supersport. So, but he comes here. What I like about him is hard work. So, Hona Yakomarawa assiste, Adoche, Abe first 9, Abe a target man. So, Litlodililepo as well, if he can just work on his consistency. But I realized that Mosto is the most kicked player, Modi Gaming, of which I think we need to have a backup for him. So, but as the game progressed, the 3-0 for me wasn't a true reflection of the match. Because of Pulo Modi, I think he should have scored a hat-trick for Otiosai Kodaro that I spoke about. Yet he scored, I think, should have been on a trick, but he was denied by the crossbar while they were like him so far. But apart from that, it's a moral boost. Let's see, because of hopefully our coaches have seen that when you give those debutants some game time, they can deliver. Cheka Arsenal Velebay is a sub. He dished out those good movements. Lewaham Maboe, he can play as a 6. George Matlow, although I still think he's an injury prone. If ever Akatokalata was an injury, then he's a good complete player. Gaston Serino as well. So I think for me, I can't complain still today, considering my team played so well. It's just that if they can take that performance into the league against the Ben City Friday, maybe we can get the 3 points. But Lewana, they are coming into that game limping because of Bajiloma 1-3-1, Bajaki Golden Arrows. But so far, I was so impressed. And I think man of the match, I've got 2. It's just like Ikodaro Limudus Chavala. They played fantastically well. So then, so far, let's see, because of hopefully Inashu Miguel has watched Aiden McCarthy to say, hey, I've got competition at the back. Because of lately, we are not conceding, although Bonabati and Simba, they got 2-3 chances where I remember Peterson a tipper ball on top of the crossbar, then they scored, then there was a shot on target. That's our only things that they brought to gaming. But more than that, Ronaldo Minutili gave me, but we should have won more heavy scoreline. But then I was happy to see that the Mutaung guys, our Minister of Sport, Gideon Mackenzie, was here. Really, I don't know if he's a Chiefs fan or a Pirates fan, but he was so excited. showing to us we should win by 5 goals. But now I was so impressed, and going forward, because of previously we won this trophy as Mandela Cup. So hopefully the history can turn again, because of we on to play CAF Champions League. We lost in the final, so which shows that Kaizer Chiefs can be serious with the likes of Stellenbosch in the same competition. But yeah, I was so happy. So let's see midweek against Durban City.
Thank you, Jack. I will say that.